Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add frames to your diagrams and charts on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your diagram on Lucidchart, and as you can see I added this example frame here for orientation to that diagram in the background, but you can also change the position, for example, and bring the frame to the front or to the background. So if you'd like to add a frame too, guys, you will need to navigate to the shapes section in the left panel, and here under standard look for the shapes feature, frame feature of course, and click into it, hold it and position it on your editing board here. Release your left mouse and that is going to add the frame. Now you can of course use these connectors here for the frame, but you can also resize your frame like this. You will see the coordinates here below. Then you will see the layout here to the right. You may change or adjust the shape options. Or add more content to your diagram and position it inside your frame, for example. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.